Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's video is all about advent calendars and chocolate, my favorite. This little advent calendar is a Kinderton Nut Safe Promise Dreamworks Trolls 24-day chocolate advent calendar. I have a nut allergy. I don't know if you guys know, so I do try to be very, very, very careful when I'm buying anything chocolate. So I love the fact that these are nut safe. They're a milky recipe and there are no artificial flavors. This little Trolls advent calendar was 89p from Home Bargains, and we're going to start. We're going to go ahead and just get started. Guys, I don't know everybody from the Trolls, so maybe as we go along, you guys can help me figure out who they are. I think the only one I know is Poppy. Really terrible on my Trolls knowledge, but let's go ahead and try finding number one. These numbers are really not easy to find on this advent calendar, so I hope that we push along quite well. Number one's right down here on Poppy's little dress. Oh, look at that. How cute is that? Guys, tell me what the name of this troll is in the comment section below. Please, please, please help me out. Whoa. And behind door number one, we have 24 sleeps to go. Our little chocolate is upside down. Our little chocolate is a reindeer. Very cute. Number two, I know is up here because I saw it. Let's pop it open. And we have this guy again. Please, guys, in the comment section below, tell me who this guy is. We have 23 more sleeps to go. And we have a gingerbread man. Oh, adorable. I am going to be tasting some of this chocolate. Let's pull these little windows off so it keeps me on track. Let's go to door number three. Come on, let's find you quickly. Nobody wants this video to be super long. Number three, right here. We have a little decoration. Is this supposed to be a reindeer with antlers? Oh, I don't know. Let's go ahead and find out. 22 more sleeps to go. We have a gorgeous little candy cane. That was day three. Let's go ahead and find a number four. Where is day number four hiding? Oh my gosh, these numbers need to be in super bold font for me to be able to find them. Okay, day 24, right up here beside Poppy's head, we have Poppy and the guy with the blue hair. I am going to find out what that guy's name is. Let's pop this out. Ooh, this looks interesting. What did we get? 21 sleeps to go. We got a little decoration, a little piece of holly. That's so cute. We are on day number 5, which I know is right down here. Oh, how cute. Anybody know who this person is? Somebody tell me who this troll is in the comment section below. That would be amazing. I love the fact that they have foiled sealed all these chocolates to keep them fresh. I love that. There are now only 20 more sleeps to go. And we have a little lit candle. That is adorable. Day number 6 right here. Per Poppy. I'm sorry, I've had to open your face. This is Troll. I love this. This is cute. Very festive. Pop you right over there. Let's see what comes out from behind this little window. This advent calendar is moving around quite a bit. Pop, you ready? Oh, this is cute. We got a teddy bear. So good. 19 sleeps to go. Let's see. Number 7. Where are you hiding? Number 7. Where is number 7? Oh, well, I know where number 8 is. Number 7 right over here. And we have Poppy. So super cute. I really like Poppy. And I'm not just saying this because she is the only troll I know, but she is my favorite. We have 18 more sleeps to go. We have another little holly decoration. We'll pop our chocolate over here. Number 8. Oh, nearly opened the wrong one. Number 8 right over here, right in Poppy's hair. And we have another Poppy. Super cute. And guys, you know, you can keep these little window tabs and do something fun. If you wanted to decorate your notebook for school, or you wanted to make a poster and pop all these on, you don't have to throw these little windows away. You can repurpose. We have 17 more days to go, and we have got, is this a little nutcracker? I'm not sure. Guys, tell me in the comments below. Number 9. Where are you hiding, number 9? Sorry, guys, that was just my phone. So number 9 right here. Oh, okay. I know this is Poppy. Who's this troll? Someone tell me in the comment section below. Number 9. What is behind your little window? Let's see. Ooh, I think we all know what this is. This is a little bird. I'm hoping a robin. 16 more sleeps to go, but we're going to open day number 10. Where are you? Number 10. Can any of you guys see number 10? I found it. It's right over here. Right in the middle of Poppy's hair. Okay, guys, another one for you. Let me know who this guy is. He has lots of presents, and I'm really happy about that. Let's see who we've got behind day number 10. Come on. Ooh, is this a snowman? This is a snowman. Super cute. Now we're on 15 sleeps. So that was day 10. 11 is right here. I saw that earlier. Oh, who's this? Tell me in the comments. This is a cute troll. Nice. Let's open 11. Oh, I think we may have got another teddy bear. Yes, we did. Cute. Day number 12, is it? Day number 12, right here. Let's pop you right open. Oh, look, how cute. Again, guys, who is this character? Let's get this chocolate open. Does not want to come out. How many sleeps? We have 13 sleeps. We have a little snowflake. Day number 13. Where are you hiding? 13 is right down here at the bottom. Oh, how cute. These are little twins. Guys, who are these twins? These twins are super adorable. Let's get our chocolate out. Ooh, I think we have a bell. We have 12 more sleeps, and we have a little Christmas bell. Let's go to number 14. 14 is right here. Merry Trollmas, everybody. And let's open you up. Let's see what we've got. Ooh, this is a mystery. We do have 11 more sleeps. We have a Santa hat. That is cute. That was day 14. Let's hit on ahead and go to 15, which is right here in the center. Oh, how cute. This little troll is getting right into the Christmas spirit with all of these light bubbles on their head. Super, super cute. Let's see who you're hiding. Let's pop this open. Ooh, this is interesting. We have 10 more sleeps. And what did we get? Oh, we got a little penguin. I think this is a penguin. I think it is. It's cute. I'm going to eat it, so that's okay. Let's go and find 16. 16 is right up here at the top. We have another pretty Poppy. That's adorable. And who is Poppy hiding? I think Poppy's hiding another little robin. Cute. 9 more sleeps. We're going to find door 17 right over here by Poppy's hand. We have this guy again. Who is this guy? Let's go and find out what he was hiding in his little compartment. Is this an elf? We've got 8 sleeves, and I think this is an elf. Let's go to day 18. Oh, right here. Let's pop you right open. Oh, and we have this guy again. You guys are going to tell me who his name is, and then I'm going to know who all the trolls are. What is this guy hiding? This guy is hiding 7 more sleeps. And we have another little, no, this is a star. So the Christmas tree star. We're on day 19 is right up here. We've got Joy. How cute is that? That is very festive, very colorful. I really like that. What was behind the little Joy window? Let's pull you out of the way. Pop this one right out. Well, we have 6 sleeps to go, and we have a Santa. Yay! I was wondering when Santa was going to make an appearance. I'm really glad it was now. We're going to find day 20, which is right here. Oh, look at that. That is adorable. Cute. What are you guys hiding? Oh, this is seriously hard to get right. It is a square. It is 5 more sleeps, and we have a little bow. Day number 21 is right up here, and we have, oh, this is cute. We have a decorated Christmas tree with legs, a troll tree. Nice. Day 21, what are you hiding? Ooh, what is this? This is an unusual shape. Come on. Oh, this one does not want to come out. We have got 4 more sleeps. We have a Christmas stocking. That is adorable. Day 22 is right up here at the top. We'll just pop that window through. Oh, we have such a cute guy. Who is this guy? Tell me in the comments below, and let's find out what he has for us. I think he has a snowman. We've got 3 more sleeps to go, and he gave us a little snowman. Day 20. Day 23. Did I miss one? That was day 22. Day 23, right here, right in the middle. Let's pop you open. Oh, this is cute. I love how easy these windows come off so that you can reuse these little tabs. This is adorable. What have you got hiding for us? Ooh, what have you got? Let's pop that out. Come on. Is that a horse? Guys, I'm not really sure what this is. I think it's a horse. Tell me in the comments section below. And the last, but definitely not least, is day 24. What are you hiding? We have a gorgeous, pretty little Poppy. Look how cute Poppy looks. She is just my favorite. And what has Poppy got for day 24 for us? What has she got? I think 1 more sleep and it's Christmas. I think that we have a Christmas bauble. So guys, these are all of the chocolates that you're going to get inside your Kinderton Nut Safe Trolls advent calendar. That is a ton of chocolate. I'm going to pop you guys down so you can see. I love that these little tabs come off really, really easily. I love the fact that I can reuse these. They are adorable. I really, really like those. So I'm going to keep all of those and repurpose them. And now I'm going to taste the chocolate. So we're going to take this little angel. That chocolate is so delicious. It is exceptionally milky, mouth-watering, really good chocolate. And I get to eat all of this. So that makes me a very happy person. I just picked up a chocolate to eat, and I just got Santa. So I'm pretty happy with that too. So guys, what did you think of this advent calendar? I think it's pretty good for the price point. You're getting a decent amount of chocolate, a great assortment of different types of patterns, which I really, really like. I love the fact that inside the advent calendar, it tells you how many more sleeps that you have. I love that you get a little decoration on the inside. It just makes it a little bit more special and exciting to open. And I think it's pretty good. I do believe any child who gets this will be super happy. Or any grown-up. The chocolate is really, really delicious. It is still making my mouth water. Guys, if you liked this video, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up for me, please. Really smash that like button. If you're not yet a subscriber and would like to join us, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you'd like to be notified of any of my future videos, don't forget to hit the notification bell. Everybody take care. Please, please, please stay safe. And I'm going to catch you next time. See you later, guys. Bye.